Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xumo Stream Box remote volume not working, CEC, pairing and audio setup fix. To fix a Xumo Stream Box remote with broken volume controls, repair the remote through the device settings menu or perform a complete remote factory reset. Here are some fixes and causes. Pairing loss. The remote loses its Bluetooth connection with the Xumo box, requiring a manual repair via settings, finding remote setting, then go to control your TV and audio. Depleted battery power or stuck remote memory blocks signal transmission, which is fixed by pulling the batteries and holding down the power button for 15 seconds. Fix 1. Repair the remote to your TV or soundbar. Press the settings gear button on your remote. From there, select remote settings. Now click pair your remote with the TV or audio device and follow the prompts to select your TV brand and test the volume codes. Fix 2. Enable HDMI-CEC settings. On your Xumo box, go to Settings, click on Viewing Preferences, in it find HDMI-CEC and toggle it on. On your TV, open your TV's main settings menu and ensure its proprietary CEC feature is enabled. Note: TV brands call this different names. Example: Samsung uses AnyNet Plus, LG uses Simplink, Sony uses Bravia Sync, and Vizio uses CEC. Fix 3. Clear and reset the XR100 remote. Press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for 3 seconds. Then wait for the remote status light to flash green. Now enter the code 981 using the number pad. Now the light will flash to confirm the reset. You can now go back to the remote settings to pair it freshly. Fix 4. Adjust Xumo audio output mode. First go to settings, in it find audio and change the settings from auto/surround to stereo or PCM. Fix 5. Firmware or battery glitches. Remove the battery and hold the remote's power button for 15 seconds to reset its memory. Now put a fresh set of AAA alkaline batteries back into the clean battery compartment. Then hold the home and mute button for 5 seconds to sync the remote back to your TV. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.